Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's JASMY video update for Saturday 13th of August. And we are here. I'm just looking at the weekly time frame right now. We are being resisted at the weekly 10 EMA at the moment. Okay, so the 10 EMA is acting quite heavy right now, but I don't know why we still have a little bit of suspense here, and it just continues to go on, you know. And it really sucks that JASMY didn't do anything. It never really did anything significant. SOP did something. SOP even though it's a shit coin, but it still at least moved high. What the hell is happening with JASMY? I just don't really know, and I'm trying to figure out as much as I can. But one thing is very clear: you do have the morning star here, and that's a reversal pattern at the moment that you are really going to move to the upside. What really is important is not even the weekly, but is the daily time frame. Okay, so the daily time frame, we still continue on and on with that same old bullshit drama that we are putting right now. So I just want to remove some of these drawings. Actually, let me just clear these drawings just a little bit right there. Boom, boom. Remove the line here, remove the line there, remove the line here and there, this one as well, that one as well. All right, so we're back into the track. So at the moment on the daily, you're looking at this particular resistance that you're really finding hard to break right now, really hard, right? And then you do have some sort of a sideways movement now that you're coming down here, going up again, coming down, going up, and potentially you might be rolling down again. And the last time that we had the apex coming in for ascending triangle there, you pop to the downside again, right? So this could be another mini ascending triangle again here, and then you're looking to still pop to the downside. So my take is that today's weekend, the start of the weekend starts today, and you probably could just come a little bit down here and lose this level and just go down to 9779 and continues the sideways until we don't really move higher. Now let me give you one idea here. The best time to trade JASMY, in my opinion, could be only when you break the above support level. Okay, whatever happens here, this is absolutely noise. Okay, there's no any clear direction of what happens here, but actually what happens here after the breakout is what really matters. So when you break out with a huge volume, come down for the retest, and then you're in for a nice good trade, a little bit of a trade here to go up to that 27% move to the upside. Can this be a long vacation? Can be a very long accumulation phase? It can be. In my opinion, that's just a little bit of an accumulation happening down there, which is not bad, which is actually a good sign. If you're having accumulation, that actually shows the will for the coin to actually move higher somewhere down the road. It's only just a matter of time when it does it, but that's a good sign nonetheless. And when the signs are there, just take it. The signs are amazing. The thing is that this one is a flop and this one is useless as long as you're not breaking to the upside and backtesting things to move higher. If it does break, you're in for a nice good lovely 27% trade. I'm going to be looking, I'm going to be keeping an eye on this one, and I'm going to be updating as well. So that's pretty much it for this update. Quick one on JASMY. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz. Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Adam Coins, and you are going to go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49 and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.